What if the next fighter jet could control entire battles before the enemy even knows it's there? That's the idea behind the future fighter many analysts refer to as the F-47 NGAD, a mysterious aircraft that could redefine air dominance for the United States. The aircraft is believed to be part of the Next Generation Air Dominance program, a highly secretive project developed to replace and surpass today's most advanced fighter jets. Instead of being just a single aircraft, NGAD is expected to operate as an entire combat system. Unlike traditional fighter jets, the future F-47 concept is designed to work alongside autonomous drones, advanced sensors, and next-generation networking technology. This means the aircraft may act as the brain of an entire aerial battle group. While many details remain classified, experts believe the aircraft will feature a new generation adaptive cycle engine. This type of engine could provide both extreme speed and improved fuel efficiency, giving the fighter unmatched range and endurance. Stealth will likely be one of the defining features of the F-47. Engineers are expected to combine advanced radar-absorbing materials with a highly optimized airframe shape to reduce detection from enemy radar systems. Beyond stealth and speed, the fighter will likely feature cutting-edge sensors and artificial intelligence-assisted systems. These technologies could allow pilots to process enormous amounts of battlefield data in real time. The aircraft is expected to carry next-generation air-to-air missiles and advanced precision weapons. Combined with its stealth and sensor capabilities, this would allow it to engage enemy aircraft long before being detected. If the F-47 NGAD becomes operational, it could change the balance of power in the skies. The aircraft represents a shift from traditional fighter jets to an entire networked combat ecosystem. Modern air warfare is evolving rapidly, and the next generation of aircraft will rely not only on speed and firepower, but also on information, networking, and intelligence systems. The F-47 NGAD remains one of the most mysterious fighter aircraft concepts in development today. But if its capabilities match the ambition behind the program, it could become one of the most powerful air combat platforms ever built. So what do you think? Could the F-47 become the future king of the skies? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoy exploring advanced military aircraft, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Jet Force News, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next story about the future of air power.